Here are the top 3 credit cards for booking flights in Canada. First, Scotiabank Gold American Express Card. This card shines for its high earn rates on everyday spending, especially on sobeys, and its comprehensive travel insurance. You'll save money on foreign purchases with no transaction fees, making it great for international travel. While the points aren't transferable to airline programs, they are still valuable for a wide range of rewards. Second, RBC Avion Visa Infinite Card. If you are looking for a solid welcome bonus and flexible points redemption, the RBC Avion card is a strong contender. You'll earn points on travel and everyday purchases, making it a good choice for frequent flyers. Plus, it offers extensive travel insurance covering a range of situations. Third, TD Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card. This card is perfect for Air Canada loyalists. You'll earn Aeroplan points for Air Canada purchases and other spending. Enjoy your airport lounge access and get a nice welcome bonus. The focus on Aeroplan rewards makes it ideal for those who primarily fly Air Canada. Remember, these are just few of the many great credit cards available in Canada. It's always wise to compare different cards and their features to find the one that best suits your specific travel needs and spending habits. Happy travels!